Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can make Game Pass in Roblox. It's pretty simple. Now you cannot do it using Roblox app, you need to do it on the browser of Roblox. So open up your browser, doesn't matter which browser, just open your browser and search for create.roblox.com. As you guys can see at my bottom, make sure you write create.roblox.com. Once you search for it, it's going to take you over here. Now since I've already logged in into my account, it directly brought me over here, but for you it's going to ask you to log in. So do that, and then it's going to show you all the games you have created or the world you have created. This is the world I created, so I will click on it and it's going to take me over here. Now from over here I can click on the three line at the top left of the screen and click on where it says associated items. From inside associated items you can see this option called passes. Now from over here you can create a game pass. I have already created 3 game passes and I have even listed 2 of them for selling. So let me show you how to create a pass. Click on create a pass, and over here you can click on change and you can click on where it says choose photo or take photo. I will just click on take photo and take a random photo. Now I will click on use photo, and now this is going to be the picture of my game pass. Now you can put whichever picture you want, and on name you can write whichever name you want. I'm just going to write random names, and on description as well you can write any description you want. After you fill this information up, click on create pass and you just created yourself a game pass in Roblox. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys in my future video with more Roblox content.